In this video, I'm going to share with you how to fix Microsoft 365 error 147-0. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, then open Programs. Here, click on Microsoft Office. You'll see a new option appear. Click on Change. Now, select Online Repair and click on Repair. Wait a few seconds while it fixes any corrupted files. If you still face the same problem, I will provide a link to the uninstallation website. You need to completely uninstall your Office first. Scroll down and you'll get the Uninstall option. Click on it. Then click on Open Get Help. Wait a few seconds as it completely removes Office, but don't worry, your data will be safe. It will not be removed. Now click Yes, and your Office will be removed completely. After that, I will give you this website link. This is the official Microsoft Office website. Scroll down and choose your operating system, and you'll get the download option. Click on Download. I have already downloaded the file. After that, open the file, and Office will start installing. Your issue will then be solved.